Hello and welcome to my new video. Um, in this video, we are going to discuss the backyard living room decorations. Sorry for my voice. From few days, I'm not feeling well. That's why you are not going to see my videos from the last couple of days. So here we are. Welcome to the home decor DIY. Today we are diving into the world of outdoor living space decor, where we will unveil a treasure trove of amazing ideas and expert tips to transform your backyard in a stylish and functional heaven. Excuse me. A backyard living space is more than just a living area, it's an extension of your home, a place of relaxation, entertainment, and natural beauty. So let's embark on an inspiring journey to make your living room dreaming in a reality. When it comes to the living space decor, there are few essential principles to consider. We will explore how to choose the right furniture, create inviting sitting areas, and incorporate stylish lighting and add some personal touch that make your space entirely different. Discover how a select weather resistant material to ensure your decor stands the test of time. Learn about the power of living room rugs, cushions, and throws to add coziness and color. We will even dive into a creative ways to maximize space in smaller yards. But that's not all. Get ready for jaw dropping before and after transformation that will leave you inspired and to tackle your own living room project. We have scored the word of backyard design to bring your innovative ideas and you won't want to miss. And to top of it, we will introduce you a homeowners who have successfully turned their living room spaces the picture card treats. You will hear their stories, you will see the design and gain the insight into how they achieve their dream living room spaces. Your living room space where you can escape the hassle and bustle of everyday, entertain friends and family, and immerse yourself in a scenery of nature. Our goal is to provide you the different ideas that treasure trove of ideas and tips to transform your living room into a heaven of beauty and functionality. Let's talk about the living room space decor in the extension of your home and its design can significantly impact your lifestyle. A well decorated living room offers a multiple benefits. Picture yourself in a living room in a comfortable chair surrounded by lush greenery. Listen the smoothie sound of birds chirping and leaves rustling. That's the kind of relaxation of your living room can offer. Your living room is a direct link to the nature world. Well thought of decor can enhance your connection with nature, making your living space a scenery retreat. Choose comfortable and durable living room furniture that complement your style, from cozy sofas to stylish dining set. The right furniture can set the tone of your living room oasis. We hope you find inspiration and valuable insights in this video. Your living room has a potential to become your favorite part of your home, a place where you can unwind and make lasting memories. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on exciting journey of the living room space decor together. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas and design inspiration.